Hey, what's going on, everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com back today with another daily crypto update. I'm happy to let you know that the market is doing good today. We actually saw a very big run-up, actually, late last night, and that really ended up pushing cryptos back above some more stable levels. Bitcoin actually made its way out of its downtrend line and above $6,300, which was exactly what we were looking for. Now that we're above $6,300 and that we're out of our downtrend line, we should be able to move higher from here. We might not see a jump right away, but at least it becomes quite unlikely at this point that we will move back below $6,000. And like I said, hopefully we can slowly but surely move higher from here. Now, I actually talked on my Twitter how I basically, predicted this move in my previous video before it even happened. Make sure to follow me on there. I've been giving out a lot of valuable information and talking about, how I predict these crypto moves. That's why I made this technical analysis course, right? If you want to learn more about it, you can check out the video that I made previously today. But basically, it's a complete course on technical analysis. I give away all the trading strategies and techniques that I've learned throughout my years of trading, and you have literally nothing to lose by trying this out. We have a 100% money back guarantee within 30 days. If you're not satisfied, you can just send me an email and you'll get a full refund. If you want to get started with the technical analysis master course today, go ahead and click the link at the top of the description of this video and use the promo code TRT20 at checkout for $200 off the regular price of $999. And that's over a 20% discount. I'm not going to be doing those often, so make sure to take advantage of that. Once again, 30-day money-back guarantee. You have no reason not to try this course, nothing to lose. So there's literally no reason why you wouldn't try this out at the very least. With that being said, we're going to jump right into the technical analysis, starting off with Bitcoin, of course, and I might as well cover a quick news piece, which is that the BitMEX CEO said that Bitcoin will move to $50,000 by the end of 2018. Once again, you have to keep in mind that these type of people are obviously biased to a certain point, but it is always possible that Bitcoin would make such a move, and I'll have a hard time seeing Bitcoin move above $50,000 by the end of the year, to be quite honest. I think at the very most it would test it, but it is a possibility, right? Especially if we start to get back above $10,000 quickly, then it becomes more interesting, but we can't get it too ahead of ourselves. We first need to get above $10,000 again, and that's what we can look forward to next. So indicators are looking strong still, right? We're back to uptrending pretty much on all indicators. And now we just have a little bit of resistance ahead at 6,500 dollars. As soon as we move back above that, we should be ready to make a move back towards $8,000. So Bitcoin fully out of the downtrend, and hopefully now we can really start to see this uptrend begin once and for all. Keep in mind that we've been in this downtrend for literally months, and the break out of this downtrend is a very significant reversal point. So you really can't downplay that. Let's go ahead and move over to our next cryptocurrency, which is going to be Ethereum, and we're now going to see what's going on. So Ethereum now got back into its symmetrical triangle formation. It also looks like it's going to try to get out of its downtrend line on the RSI. Indicators looking strong. MACD histogram starting to turn back up as well. We do have some resistance at around $500. And if we look at where the end of our symmetrical triangle formation is, that's at around $450. So we may bounce up and down until we reach the end of the formation. It really depends on how much strength we're going to see. If Bitcoin is going to be able to move above $6,500 pretty quickly here, I think Ethereum has a good chance of getting back above $500. If, however, Bitcoin stabilizes a bit more and needs to consolidate a bit longer, then Ethereum will most likely consolidate as well until we reach the end of the symmetrical triangle formation. And then I think at this point we have a very high chance of moving higher from there. Let's go ahead, take a look at Litecoin next, see what's going on. So Litecoin is also looking good here. Nice buying volume. Indicators turning back up. We got out of our downtrend line on the RSI. About to get that third crossover on the MACD. This time around, I'm expecting it to hold. And unfortunately, we're not in the best area as far as support is concerned. We do, of course, have support at $70. But moving forward, what we're really going to pay attention to is the middle band. We have some resistance there. That's currently at around $90 and then $100, right? That $100 mark is not going to be easy to get back above. So I do expect a little bit more consolidation here. With that being said, I definitely think we can move back towards $90 within the next week or two. but we're going to need to consolidate just a bit longer to really, clear out some of the resistance and be able to get back above $100. Once we get back above that, we can really start to look more forward to, a more clean run up, so to say. Let's go ahead and take a look at our next cryptocurrency, which is going to be Nano. And don't forget, I am not going to forget Neo this time around. I saw some people that were talking about that. Not much to say about Nano. We're basically just consolidating where we're currently at around 38,000 Satoshis. Probably going to continue a little bit longer, but I think that over the next week or two, we'll probably move back above 40,000 Satoshis, so long as the market stays strong. Let's go ahead, take a look at Ripple, and then we're going to go over Neo to not forget it, and then we're going to cover EOS. So let's see. I'm going to go over to the Bittrex chart here where I have my previous lines all drawn out. And taking a look at the Bittrex chart, we can see that we currently are trying to get back above 50 cents. That's where our middle band is at, so a bit of resistance there. I think that within the next week or so, we won't really have much of a problem getting back above that. And then I expect some consolidation from there. Moving over, we're going to take a look at Neo and see what's going on. So I know that I forgot to cover this a couple times. That's completely accidental. I am covering a lot of cryptocurrencies, so I do forget some here and there. And if we look at Neo, looking pretty good here. We actually did manage to we slightly broke out of the downtrend line on the RSI, got that positive crossover on the MACD, about to get that on the histogram. And I think that slowly but surely here over the next week or so, we're going to get back towards $40. As soon as we can get back above $43, our big resistance level here ahead, then we really should have not too much trouble moving back higher towards $100. Let's go ahead, take a look at EOS, see what's going on. So taking a look at EOS, we can see that we're trying to get back above 13,000 Satoshis. Overall, EOS has held up pretty well, and I think that we are going to manage to get back above 13,000 Satoshis. And, I expect some consolidation between 15,000 and 13,000 Satoshis after that. Quite a bit of buying volume as well on this bounce here. Let's go ahead, take a look at our next crypto, which is going to be Stellar Lumens, and we're going to see what's going on. So Stellar Lumens has this doji candlestick right now, right on its 3,000 Satoshi support level. It looks like it's trying to get back above the 30 line on the RSI. Nice buying volume here. I think that we've really put in a bit of a bottom, and basically we're going to start to see some consolidation between 3,000 and 3,500 Satoshis for a bit longer, and then hopefully start moving above 3,500 Satoshis from there. It's probably not going to be easy to get back into the uptrend right away, especially since we might wait on other cryptocurrencies to come back up a bit higher before that's really possible. Nonetheless, we're still doing much better than we were just a few days ago, and we finally got, the more confirmation that the bottom is really in and that we're ready to move higher from here. Let's go ahead, take a look at our next cryptocurrency, which is going to be Lisk, and let's see what's going on. So currently Lisk is trying to get back above $6.24. It's in a pretty tight range, so I expect it to trade around this area for a little bit longer here, but I think that we have mostly avoided, any kind of drop down to $4. Let's take a look at Cardano, see what's going on. So going over to the Bittrex chart, very nice bounce for Cardano. Got a doji candlestick followed by a huge green candlestick. That's a great reversal right there, and now it's trying to push out of the downtrend line. Indicators got a nice kick higher as well. Good buying volume. This is pretty much a breakout here in the short term. We do need still to get back above this longer term downtrend line. I think we're going to manage to do so. If we don't do it, today, we're probably going to get to do that in the next couple days. And as soon as that happens, we'll be ready to slowly but surely start moving higher from there. Let's take a look at our last cryptocurrency of the daily crypto update. That is going to be IOTA, and let's see what's going on. So IOTA is back above $1. That's a very good sign. Getting back above those big round numbers are always key, and the indicators are also looking quite bullish here as well. There is resistance ahead, right, at around $1.15. A lot of resistance. We also have our longer-term downtrend line. So I'm not expecting any kind of huge jump right away. We're going to need to take our time, put in a bit of a base. But as soon as we get out of that downtrend line, that's when I think we're going to start to get a lot more power to move higher. With that being said, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my brand new technical analysis master course, 30-day money-back guarantee. You literally have nothing to lose by trying it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.